Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shatarria, but I go by Shay, and welcome to Shady Shay. First, I would like to start off by thanking BeautyForever Hair for sponsoring today's video. They sent me this beautiful 24-inch kinky curly V-part wig, and in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I came up with this bomb look. Okay, y'all will see the install process and all. But first, I just want to tell y'all that BeautyForever Hair will be having their 7th anniversary sale on October 13th. Do y'all know what that means? Baby, they're going to be having the bomb.com discounts, okay? And that is for everybody. So if you're interested in purchasing this wig or any other wig that they may have on their website, whether it's a V-part wig, a lace front, a frontal, short hair, long hair, curly hair, straight hair, whatever it is that you guys want, they will be having a special huge discount for their 7th anniversary. So y'all definitely want to check out their website. I will have all the information, the detail for this wig, as well as the website for you guys to go on there and purchase the wig. But definitely make sure y'all wait till October 13th so y'all can catch the sale, okay? But let me not hold y'all any further. Let's get into today's video.
So BeautyForever was nice enough to send me over their kinky curly 24-inch V-part wig. When I tell y'all these curls are bomb, that's exactly what I mean, baby. This wig is constructed with 4 clips along the V-part as well as one in the middle to make sure that wig is secured, baby. And for additional security, they gave you a adjustable band. They also sent me over 2 wig caps, a pair of eyelashes, a no wig slip grip band, and also your edge band. Hey guys, I know y'all are wondering the same thing I'm wondering. Girl, why is your hair looking like this? Okay, I could tell y'all. First, let me just say I'm so thankful for BeautyForever for sponsoring today's video. When I tell you they came in clutch, they came in clutch. So we're right at October. This is where the season changed from summer to fall. And so this is the time for you to start wearing your hair in protective styles. Protective styles reduce breakage and allow for new hair growth to thrive. So this is what we're doing today with this wig. Now, I am not a wig person, baby. When it comes to wigs, I'm very beginner. So if you're beginner with wigs, baby, this is the video for you. So I'm going to show you guys how to create a half up, half down using a V-part. Yes, I said V-part. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and section off your hair, the hair that you're going to use for the ponytail, and then the hair that you're going to use for the back. Before we braid down the back of our hair, I want to create a thin braid going from ear to ear because this is what we're going to use to clamp down the V-part wig. So being that this is a kinky curly wig, your braid down does not have to be perfect. Baby, you really don't even have to do the little braid down. You can really just put your hair in a ponytail and throw the V-part wig on and call it a day. But I want to be a little extra, so I'm going to go ahead and braid down my hair. So I'm going to make 2 chunky braids in the back. Starting with this one, this is on the left side, I'm going to make 1 big thick braid. And then I'm going to connect this thick braid with the second braid so that I'll only have 1 piece of pigtail hanging. We're moving back to the front of our head. So we want to go ahead and take those braids down, the ponytail down, whatever it is that you did to section off the top of your head, take that down because we're actually going to make a ponytail. So I'm going to go in with my extreme gel and I'm going to place that all over my edges and I'm going to brush my hair up into a ponytail, and I'm also going to make like a little knot at the top of my head with my real hair just so I can get the hair out the way because we're actually going to move back to the back of the head. Alright guys, so being that we're only going to put this wig on half our head instead of our full head, we want to go ahead and tighten our adjustable band as tight as we can get it so that we can secure the wig to our head. So this is what the clips look like. You want to just pop them out and it'll pop the clip out. We're actually going to secure this wig on with that braid that I had you guys put in the middle of your head. Yes ma'am. So we're just going to slide those clips into that braid and then we're just going to push down on the clip and that'll lock it in place. And this is what your hair should look like after you've secured the clips onto the braid. Alright guys, I'm not sure where some of my footage went, but let me go ahead and explain to y'all what I did. So as y'all can see, I took some hair from the back and I'm putting it in a ponytail with the hair from the front. So you can see my real hair mixed with the curly hair as well. And I'm just trying to make a ponytail using the hair from the back and using my natural hair. Next, you're going to take your real hair and you want to wrap it around your ponytail. Now, you may still very well see your rubber band from when you put your hair in the ponytail, but don't worry about that. Just trust the process. After you wrap your real hair around, and you're going to go in with the fake hair, which is your curly hair, and you're going to wrap that on top of your real hair. So you want to kind of disguise the ponytail, and then you want to go in with the bobby pin to clip that into place. And then after that, you can kind of play with your hair to you know, fluff it, make it bigger, you know, whatever you want to do with it. So here's where I go in with a bobby pin. I'm pretty much going to take the curly hair that I use to wrap around my ponytail. I'm going to push that down and I'm going to bobby pin it into place so that that rubber band does not show. That way it kind of looks seamless. It looks like a little knot holding my ponytail together. So now I'm going to go in with my Viral curling mousse. This is a super hold, so I figured this would be great for these curls. Once I figured out how to actually use the product, baby, I had a hard time figuring out how to get the product out the can, but we figured it out. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my hair. I didn't wet the hair at all. I just went in with mousse because my main goal was to kind of define those ends. Don't get me wrong, the ends were nice, but they were puffy, and I didn't want puffy ends. I wanted all my curls to be defined and, you know, to be uniform. So I went ahead and put this curling mousse all over my hair, and baby, when I tell you this mousse, this mousse is now bae. We're gonna always use it. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the final look. Right now I'm just touching up my edges, so I'm using my extreme gel to do so. And I feel like, you know, I don't never play around with my little sideburns, so let me try to make a little swoopity doop doop right there. But I failed because baby, I don't know how to do baby hair. But it's okay because it's my hair and I can do what I want, and that goes for y'all too. So if y'all are interested in purchasing this wig, because baby, again, it's bomb. Y'all see I only put mousse in it, and look what it's giving. It's giving everything. But if y'all are interested in purchasing this wig, I want y'all to do so. But first, wait, because y'all know I'm all about saving a coin. I want y'all to wait until October 13th because that's when BeautyForever will be having their 7th anniversary. So they'll be having their annual discount sale for everybody. It's the biggest sale of the year. So I will definitely leave the website down below in the description box, and I'll also leave the details for this wig as well. Y'all go shop.
Alright, this is the hair that was sent to me from BeautyForever. I do want to thank them so much for sponsoring today's video. Now, I already gave y'all the details about this hair in the video, but like, look at this hairstyle. Like, what? I love it. It's everything. So if you are interested in purchasing this hair, I will have all the details down below in the description box, and I will also have my discount code listed there as well. And until next time, guys,